Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Thank you for joining me again today. This week at Challenge Night, we did a whole bunch of Joker Lap racing, which is my favorite racing format because it gives you a whole bunch of strategy to implement. It gives you ways to pass people. It's just really interesting format to actually race in. Now this week, the Joker Laps are a little different than normal. Usually when we have a Joker Lap, it's actually quite a big gap, so you can typically gain 2-3 spaces at least. This one, it was a very, very short Joker Lap. And depending what direction it wasn't even clear if it was better to take the Joker when you were trying to pass someone. As you will see in one of the races, someone tries to take a Joker Lap, and it does not work out for them. Now, I go through a wide range of emotions about this Joker Lap when we are going in the first reverse race. At first, I think it's horrible, and then I think there's possibly some strategy, and then I go back to thinking that it's bad, and then I just keep thinking about it, and then in between races, I realize there is actually a great use for it that I put into effect in the very last race that we do in the championship race. Now, one thing that happened in the feature race is my seats kept going back, that's just part of rental cars. They're not always perfect, but that's part of the fun of rental cars, is you got to figure out these things on the fly in high-pressure situations, like racing with all these, really talented, really fast people, and that's just a joy to me. And thankfully, I've developed a strategy to pull my seat up these days. Back in the day, I didn't really have a strategy, so I just kind of dealt with it. But now I figured out how to fix it effectively on the fly, so it wasn't that big of a deal, but you're probably going to hear me mention it quite a few times in the feature race. As always, if you like what you see, make sure that you hit the little thumbs up button down below. And if you want to see more, make sure you click that subscribe button. Thanks for watching.
Oh, jeez. Okay, that was unexpected. That was cheating. Okay, let's go. I'm not even sure we're supposed to brake there. This is actually gonna be really difficult to use jokers here. I think my seat wants to go backwards. I think I might need to take one. No, Dave, no, Dave. I'm not giving up that thing I got from the Joker. Ooh, Dave's right on me. I think I need to pass him clean. Oh. Okay. Okay. Alright, no more jokers. Messed it up, but But I think I'm doing this part differently than everybody else. I'm actually not sure how much two jokers is going to matter in this particular configuration. But if he's got both, he's still got a chance, I think. I'm definitely doing that part. Faster / better than everybody else. But I'm not sure I'm doing the sliding hairpin better than anybody else. Okay. Alright, good, they realize. Whoa, Dave. Alright. Well, this will be interesting. Haven't had to do this, Oh. Ugh. I'm trying to remember the tactics. Oh, he's going. Okay. Yeah, not much of an advantage, if at all. In fact, that might not work out for you, Dave. Joker lap might be just a detriment. Joker lap's a detriment. I'm pretty convinced of it. The good clean pass, that's what we're talking about. Oh, I cannot remember how to do that properly. Literally, I need to do the jokers when I have room. That felt a little better. Man. I need to take it while there's people not near me. I need to take it like now. Let's go! Okay, it sort of worked. Okay. My nose itches. I should take it like immediately. I think it's just not. It's not good in reverse. It's just bad. I think. Oh, geez, there goes the seat. Watch, I'm gonna eat my words and somebody's gonna like use the Joker in reverse to pass me. I take it back. There actually is uses. You just have to like adjust your strategy. It's not just like it's not just like a free. It's not like a free place. Is what I mean to say. It's like you really have to like slingshot it and try to get the inside line. So if you are in front of somebody and you think they're gonna take the Joker, I mean you should probably be taking the inside line anyways. But you can really plan for it. In fact, like my normal line is like taking the inside, so like it kind of defends against the Joker lap in reverse. At least what I'm doing. Okay, good. We survived the start. I legitimately might just take all the Joker laps at the beginning. Oh god, there's my seat. Okay, we pulled it up, good. Two. Three. Four. There's my seat again. Okay, we're gonna have to battle the seat this time. There goes my seat again. This is gonna get real annoying. Okay, pull it up again. How many times are we gonna have to do that? It's like 4? I wonder, I don't know if I'm doing this part as good as I can. It's really hard to tell. I feel like, oh my god, the seat. Another seat adjustment. I can't tell if I'm gaining any ground on Drew. I think maybe slightly. I think I am doing that part better. I don't know if it's the best. Let's go!